Okay, so this is tournament from 6 January, and just let's start with this Snake Eye with Monster Ribbon. Next is Rescue S. Next we have Rescue S with 3 Diabel, interesting. So you have lot of starter, Thunder Dragon, but I think this one is really interesting. 3 Pantais main set deck, and he don't play any Impem or Feather, and only play 1 Troll and 1 Nip in main deck. And he played 1 Impulse but no Fire Engine, and he chose to play Fire Attacker instead. 2 Lancia, 3 Cosmic, only 1 Reinforce, Fire King. Maybe this is a 3v3 tournament or not. Runic Stun, 3 Gaussian Mat, and he played 2 Kaiser Colosseum. 2 Necrovalley is interesting too. You have another field target. Wait, I don't know what this card is. Maybe is DNA something. If you know about this, please comment below. Runic, Runic, third place, 3v3, and we have Centurion Snake Eye. So I already shared about this deck gameplay. So the idea is just play whatever you draw it, but if you want to make a good board, I think you can make like mass plus 2 level 12 synchro. It because Bonfire is like free summon, and we have Centurion Snake Eye again, and we have Centurion Horus plus Dogma. Next, Eiffel Twin, Fire King, and Natural Venus Leap. Next, Fire King. Next we have Salamangreat. Centurion Snake Eye. Fire King. Salamangreat. Flow plus Silent Force. Super Heavy plus Horus. Next, Purely with Rivalry in main deck. Rivalry in main deck is interesting because even though you got second, you can still flip Rivalry. Fire King, Super Heavy, Labyrinth with from Full Arrest or something. I forget this card name. Next is Fire King, Ice Barrier with those Web Frog, Labyrinth, and Horus Stun. Next, Labyrinth, Centurion Horus. I think people played to Cosmic Blazar. It because Calamity is banned and you don't have like much choice for level 12 synchro. Fire King, Ice Barrier, Silent Force. Apa dulu Magician. Rescue S with 3 Impulse, 3 Diabel, and he don't play any Bonfire. I think this list is good, and he played the Trap too. Next, Fire King, Labyrinth, Runic, and Fire King. Next is Purely, Horus Stun, and I think I will stop it because it is from 7 January, but or I think I will keep it up. I think I will keep it up. Uh, 2v2 tournament. Fire King, Infernoid, plus Snake Eye and Horus, 60 cards. Salaman get with Burning Throw. Burning Throw is interesting, especially when you going second and your opponent have Link Master. You can like throw a lot. Let's say opponent have like this Infernoid Link 4, you can throw 4. Or if your opponent have Polosa, you can throw 4. Next, Fire King, Labyrinth, plus Snake Eye. Next, Ice Barrier, Lyrical. Next, we have Fire King, Runic, Vanquisol with 2 Super Poly. Next is Snake Eye with Monster Reborn, Fire King, Exo Sister, and Fire King. Next, Fire King, next, Rescue S with Ribbon Fire. Next, Snake Eye with 2 Ghost Spell. I don't know what this deck is. I think you can call it good stuff. Valiance, Snake Eye, next is Labyrinth, Naturia Runic, Magician, next Snake Eye, Fire King, Branded. I don't know what this card is. If you know about this trap, you can comment below. Branded. Next is Thunder Dragon, and he played this. This card is like Solemn Judgment. Fire King. Spiral. Dragon Maid plus Horus, interesting. Next is Salamangreat plus Burning Trail. Flow. Next is Purely. Tripri. Infernoid, Pure. Yeah, no Snake Eye or Horus. Flow. Fire King. Okay, so we have good stuff in here. Played Yangjing Engine, Centurion Engine, Spirit Engine, Diabel Engine. I don't know, he also played Hitran in there too. And this is really weird list actually. Also played Nemesis Engine or something. Fire King. Fire King. Ataman. Next is Hero. Labyrinth. And another Labyrinth with a pointer plus Diabel. He also can take Diabel, interesting. Fire King. I think this list is from before, I believe. Yeah, I think this list is from before, I think. Yeah, from this one. Rescue S. Orcus plus Snake Eye Engine. Salamangreat. Valiance with only one win. Yeah, this list is from before. And I think this player is copy on this right hand list. Sky Striker with Kaiser Colosseum. Runic. Labyrinth. Fire King, Unchain, Fire King, Penuel Magician, Fire King, Silent Force, and 3 Delta, 1 Gamma plus Driver in set deck. Rescue S, Fire King, Rescue S, Snake Eye, Silent Force with Dogma, next is Fire King with Chain of Heart. Chain of Heart is a bit popular because you can take control opponent Opalosa with it, especially in mirror match. Flow, Fire King. Okay, so he might take Solemn Strike, interesting. Silent Force, Fire King, Labyrinth, Snake Eye plus Labyrinth. We still have a lot of lists actually. Evil Twin, Silent Force Dogma, Snake Eye. I think Snake Eye is like second best deck for this format. Next, Silent Force, Runic, and Rescue S. Wait, Rescue S, okay. Next is Purely. 0-5, what? Maybe, not sure. He only win 2 and 3 losses. Salaman Grid. Magician. Next is Dragon Link. 60 cards. Fire King. Flow. Fire King. Fire King. Printed 60 cards. Denu with 3 tag rule in side deck. Flow. Yeah, Flow become popular again. Fire King and Flow. Magician and Human Tech Gamma plus Shifter, interesting. The end of Anubis in set deck, so you can use it when you're going first. And it helps you to shut down opponent grave, I think. But I think you can play Soul Train instead of this, maybe. Infernoid Pure. Branded. Silent Force. Ritual Piece. Fire King. Snake Eye. Branded. Snake Eye. Sorry, Silent Force. Red Akvin, Manatium, Centurion, Therion, Runic, Bestial with Cartesia, Orcus Cartesia plus, I think you can call this Orcus Cartesia plus Bestial. Flow, Printed, Silent Force with Dogma, 3 set Shard Right, Rescue S, Rescue S. Interesting, we have 2 Rescue S in here. Snake Eye, Labyrinth with Impulse in main deck, Snake Eye, next is Chimera, Tripri, Ritual Piece, Flow, and no Fire King for this top 4, interesting. Chimera is from list before. Maybe this is Protoss control, maybe. Protoss is really crazy actually. Fire King, Flow, Ritual Piece, Fire King, Earth, good stuff. Next is Fire King, Labyrinth plus Dogma, Snake Eye, Fire King, Ritual Piece, and Magician with 2 Necrophale, interesting, and 2 Chain of Heart. This one is interesting actually. Next, 3v3 tournament, I believe. Fire King. Next is Flow, Runic plus Fire King. Next, Silent Force, and this good stuff plus Fire King. 4th place, Snake Eye, Manatium plus Fire King. Infernoid. Next is Noid, Evil Twin, Fire King, and Snake Eye. Okay, so this Snake Eye played this Midbreaker field. Silent Force Dogma. And I think this is top 4 from 3v3. Flow, Rescue S, Adelman. 3rd place, Fire King, Tretron, and Fire King. 2nd place, Silent Force Dogma, Exo, and Noid, and first place, Diamond. And we have Horus, Leg, and Dark Dragon. I think this is the first time I saw this LATT in competitive tournament, and he played 3-2. Interesting. Yeah, this deck is look crazy actually. Snake Eye. Previous tournament from Malaysia. We have Snake Eye, Silent Force. Next, Snake Eye, Fire King, Salamangreat, Fire King. Next is Noid, Fire King, Flow. And this is top 16 distribution. 3 Snake Eye, 3 Fire King, 2 Silent Force, 1 Rescue S, 1 Noid, 1 Flow, 1 Salamangreat, 1 Runic, 1 Gimra, 1 Dragon Link, and 1 Branded. Noid. And yeah, that's it. Lot of lists. So I hope you enjoy it, and see you on the next one.